they're changing out bins. They refilled that wall. I have not finished digging on this wall. I have 1 free hour. Let's head into the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find. I should have come a little bit earlier because they're changing out both walls. I would have liked to have dug through them before they changed them out, but that's okay. We're gonna get some new stuff. Wow, this is a blast from the past. The yellow pages. I should bring this home and see if my kids know what this is and teach them. I'm gonna show them how we used to have to find people's phone numbers back in the day before we had the whole world in our hands. Here's a wood clock. I like that. I wish the wood was a little darker and not this honey color, but I could probably add some antiquing glaze to it and fix it, or we could paint and distress it. Y'all let me know if I should paint this a color. Okay, this looks old. Oh my gosh. Somebody painted that. It is signed. I think that's like a charcoal drawing. I don't know. I love this. I'm gonna go move it to the art section, but I don't think I'm gonna be the one rescuing this. Here's some kind of goose thing. I don't know what that is, and the head is broken. Y'all know what this is for? I was trying to find a bag to go dig on the wall, but I can't find one, so let's go. I'm just gonna bring my cart. They have 2 bins of these buoys, but they're plastic. If they were like the foam odor ones, you know what I mean? I would get those. But I don't like the plastic ones. There's some tassels. Trying to think what I could maybe do with those. Oh, these are eggs, gold foil eggs. Those are cute. I'm gonna get that. Anybody need a broccoli face? I think this hangs on the wall. Ah, they're changing out bins. They refilled that wall. I have not finished digging on this wall. What is this? Look, I found a really nice all white mat. Oh, I think that's just like a hot plate or something. Okay, I still gotta dig on this side, but I want to go and dig over here too. Just got this out of a t-shirt. I don't know what it is. Looks like something you cook with. Oh, it says a candle warmer. Huh, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, is that a rabbit? That's adorable. It's missing this little ringer, but that's okay. I'm getting it anyway. Look how cute this little rabbit is. It looks adorable. I'm getting that. Here's some baby. What? Look at these babies. Should I get them from our creepy baby sale? This one's almost missing a head. He's kind of cute though, but he's missing a leg. Let me know if y'all think I should get these. Oh, what is this? I don't know what it is. I think it holds maybe music paper, and it probably went in something that's missing, but I'm gonna get this piece. There's some cookie cutters. I think these are newer ones. What's this? Oh, that's cute. This is like a little peel box. I like that. Oh, and a candle snuffer. What else is in here? All right, look at these two. I just pulled this brass lamp out of a new bin. It is so heavy, I could barely pick it up. I don't know, the top is broken. I don't know how to rewire a lamp. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here for somebody else. Someone just brought me this basket and asked if I wanted it. Again, it's cool, but it's kind of in rough shape, and this is not something I want to ship, so I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else. I don't always get, you know, cool things that I find for different reasons, but I like to show y'all what kind of items are at the Goodwill Bins. This is all a bunch of, oh, these are some nice cushions, pillows. So a lot of times the bins are themed out with, you know, clothing, or if it has hard goods, it'll be lots of kitchen stuff or toys and things like that. This guy looks like he's ready to fight. You want some of this? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a blanket. I think it is. Oh my gosh, I love the pattern and the color on here. Okay, definitely getting that. You know when I'm in a hurry, there's gonna be a long butt line. This is all that I got on my quick trip to the Goodwill Bins. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all this. I kind of wish it was a sheep, but it's a ram and adorable, so I gotta get it. Somebody made it. Yep, that is it. Let me know what's y'all favorite item. I'm trying to decide if all this stuff is worth waiting in line for, or what y'all think. If they're gonna make people check out, then they should absolutely add another cashier, don't you think? I will be back again another day and hopefully not in such a hurry.